Hello, this is Philip and welcome to my channel for this new episode of Robospital. Robospital is a programming game and we learn to program with the language Python. We need to repair some malfunctioning robots. So let's start. We are now in the second floor. Okay, so there are multiple floors here. We repaired that robot here, and now we need to repair that vending machine and with multiplication. Okay, so we learn how to print variables, we learn how to do some inputs, and now we want to do some multiplications. So with 10 and 5, the output examples is 50. Okay, so int 1 is int input, int 2 is another input, and then we want to multiply those two numbers. Okay, so print int2 times int3. Okay, submit. Oh, okay. Once again, I went too fast. Of course, there is no int3. Okay, submit. Should be better. Okay. All right, mission 2. There are 6 missions here with that robots. Subtraction now. So input t integer and print the value when subtracting the second number from the first. Okay, so here 10 minus 5 is 5. So once again, maybe if I pass yes. Okay, so int 1, int 2, and this time int 1 minus int 2. Okay, so I'm subtracting the second number from the first. Okay. Okay. Next mission, quotient and remainder. All right. So this is about division, and when you divide two numbers, you have a quotient and a remainder. Okay, so for example here, 10 divided by 3 is equal to 3 plus 1, because 3 plus times 3 equals 9, and 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so this is an Euclidean division. Input 2 integer and print the quotient and the remainder when the first number is divided by the second number. Okay, so for that maybe we can have a look at this ND encyclopedia, I don't know how to call it, and we have here the operators, some example. So the products is the multiplication here. The quotient is one slash character, and the integer division is 2 slash characters, and the remainder is with the percentage. So here I want to use the double slash here. Okay, so x equals int input, y equals int input. Okay, and then the quotient is equal to x divided by y, and the remainder is x percentage y. Okay, and then we need to want to print when the first number is divided by the second number, and we print the quotient first and then the remainder. So print r, print q, and then print r. Okay, let's submit that. Okay, this is good. Right. Okay, great. Next mission, mission 4, mission 4, minutes and seconds. Okay, the stopwatch displays the time in seconds. Divide the number into minutes and seconds. The total time is input in seconds format. Print minutes and on the first line and seconds and on the second line. Okay, so 69 seconds is 1 minute and 19 seconds. Right? So here I have an input. So let's say x equals. So I have an integer input. So this is the number of seconds, and the number of seconds I need to divide that. So m is equal to x divided by 60. Okay, so this is the number of minutes inside x seconds, and then the seconds are equal to x, and this time is the remainder of the quotient here. Okay, so for example, here if I write the 69 example, okay, we have m. Oh, yes, of course I have to print m and then print s. So 79. So you see, m equals 1 and s equals 19. Okay, if we look at the number 135, this is 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, let's submit that. Okay, okay, good. Next mission. What is the total cost of the drinks? Okay. So the robots sells 3 types of beverages on the second floor of the Robospital. Eye-catching coffee costs $2,000. Diet sugar-free carbonated drink $2,500. This is a lot of money. Smooth throat engine oil, and take order and calculate the total amount. 3 integers are input. The numbers are in order: the order quantity of the eye-catching coffee, the diet sugar-free carbonated drink, and the smooth throat engine oil. And I have to print the total amount. Okay, so this is an easy one, I think. Coffee is equal to int input. Okay, then carbonated drink is equal to int input. Okay, and then we have the engine oil equals int input, right? And the result, or the name, the total amount. Okay, so let's say result, or let's say directly print. So I want to print coffee multiply by 2000 plus a drink multiplies by 2500 plus oil multiplied by 4,500. Okay, so let's try with 2, 3, 1. So 2, 3, and 1, and the result is 16,000. Okay, let's submit that. All right. Okay. Okay. So this is the last mission. We want to add strings. Okay, so we can add integer, we can add floats, but we can add strings too. Input 2 strings and concatenate them together. Then print the result. Okay, so hello string, hello string. Okay, so x is an input. I don't need to write an int conversion or float conversion. X is a string already. Y is another one, and then I just want to print x plus y. Okay, so let's submit that. Okay, great. You notice that no space is created unless you have created it manually. Okay, so there isn't space here because in front of the word we have a space here. Okay, and that was the last mission of this vending machine. So now we can have a drink. Yeah. Sure, it's done. I really need caffeine. What's the problem? Consumer drink. It could be dangerous. Why? Don't worry. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Okay. It seems that we finished the second floor. Hello. Okay, so we can go to the third floor. Is this an hotel? Welcome to Robona Hotel. What is that? Okay. Right. Blah blah blah. I'm sorry if you wanted to read the whole story. You can pause the video if you want, but I don't care about that story. There is too much text. We spend more time looking at the text, the story, than really learning the Python program. Let's learn about comparison. Okay, this will be the last lesson for today. We can compare number data. You can ask if A is bigger than B, or if they are equal. It will answer yes or no, so it is true or false. Okay, so x equals 10, y equals 15, and then we print. So x equals y. We need to use the double sign equal here because the one sign, the one equal sign, is to assign a variable to a number, and here I don't want to assign x to the variable y. I want to compare those two numbers. I want to know if those two numbers are equal. So that's why I need to write those two equal signs here. And then I want to print if x is less than 15, okay, than y. So I want to compare 10 and 15. Okay, false and true. Okay, so those are booleans. Okay, so the first boolean is false and the second is true. Let's start the treatment. Okay, this is the poor bell, but okay, we have 7 missions to do, and we'll do that in the next episode. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.